Imagine this. In just a few minutes, an entire city could be wiped off the map, not by nature but by a missile launched from thousands of kilometers away. One mistake, one conflict, one order, and the world as we know it could be gone. Today we're diving into the 5 most dangerous missile launch systems ever built, weapons that don't just carry warheads, but power over global peace itself. First up, the RS-28 Sarmat, Russia's latest intercontinental ballistic missile. Nicknamed Satan II, this missile has a range of over 18,000 kilometers and can carry up to 15 nuclear warheads. Its destructive power is enough to obliterate an area the size of France. Even worse, it's built to evade current missile defense systems, making it nearly impossible to intercept. Second, the LGM-30G Minuteman III from the United States. In service since the Cold War, it has been continuously upgraded. Hidden in underground silos across U.S. states like Montana and Wyoming, it can be launched within minutes if a threat is detected. It's not just a weapon, it's part of the nuclear triad that guarantees immediate retaliation. Third, China's Dongfeng 41, or DF-41. The fastest and longest-range missile ever built by China, it can reach up to 15,000 kilometers. Equipped with MIRVs, one DF-41 can strike up to 10 different targets at once. Though China is known for secrecy, the unveiling of DF-41 was a loud message to the global stage. Fourth, the Trident II D5, a submarine-launched ballistic missile used by the US and the UK. Its biggest advantage? Stealth. Because it's launched from beneath the ocean, it's extremely hard to detect before it's too late. With up to 12 warheads per missile, a single submarine can hold enough firepower to end civilization as we know it. Finally, North Korea's Hwasong-17, the largest missile the regime has ever shown publicly. Unveiled during a military parade in 2022, it's both a symbol of power and a political threat. Its technical capabilities may still be uncertain, but its psychological and diplomatic impact is very real. These 5 missile systems are more than just machines of war. They are symbols of deterrence, dominance, and danger. In the hands of global superpowers, they represent both security and the terrifying possibility of annihilation. As technology evolves, so does the threat. One miscalculation, one wrong signal, could trigger consequences none of us are ready for. So the next time you hear the word peace, remember, it's not just the absence of war. It's the balance of fear that keeps the world from burning. Stay informed, stay aware, and never forget, the most powerful weapons are the ones that are never used.